Being monetized on YouTube can be a total pain. You're either stuck in 0 view jail, 15,000 view jail, or 30,000 view jail. You never find the right niche. Your retention sucks. And even if you do get monetized, you're stuck with a 0.01 RPM. Or worse, you get demonetized again. Sound familiar? But what if I told you there's a way to earn money from your very first video with no requirements at all? And no, I'm not talking about shady clipping campaigns that never pay or weird deals that block certain content. I'm talking about YouTube music royalties. Hold up. Don't click away. Let me explain. Here's how the YouTube music deal actually works. When you upload a short, all the ad revenue goes into a giant pool. YouTube then splits that pool into two parts, one for creators and one for musicians. Normally, you only get paid from the creator side, but with a music deal, you use songs from a specific company. When your short gets views, that song also gets views. So the company earns more from the musician side of the pool. They then share that extra money with you, often 50-50. And here's the crazy part. Sometimes this pays more than regular shorts ad revenue. Especially if your audience is in high-paying countries like the US, your niche is valuable and your videos are over 35 seconds long. So by picking the right music, you're basically unlocking a second income stream on YouTube Shorts. So how do you get started? And what's the best music deal right now? Currently, the highest and fastest paying provider is Playest. Just sign up using the first link in the video description. Once you're in, go to the channel section and click Register Channel. Enter your channel URL, follow the steps, and you're done. Now, in the Musics tab, you'll see a huge library of songs you can use in your videos. The RPM varies, but if your videos are over 35 seconds, you can expect anywhere from 10 cents to 30 cents per 1,000 views. Personally, I'm sitting at 21 cents per RPM, and right here on screen, you can see some payment proofs, both from me and other creators. So if you're tired of chasing monetization and want to start earning from day one, try YouTube Music Royalties. Sign up with the link in the description, start uploading, and watch that second income stream roll in. Thanks for watching.